Australia has emerged as one of the famous study abroad destination for Indian students. With its world-class universities, diverse and welcoming culture, and a high quality of life, Australia offers an enriching academic experience to students from India. In today's video, we will highlight 5 such courses that are particularly popular with Indian students choosing to study in Australia. These courses are not only in high demand but also align well with their academic interests and career ambitions. The first course we will explore is Information Technology. IT is a rapidly growing sector in Australia, with a strong demand for skilled professionals. The range of IT courses available allows students to specialize in specific areas of interest, such as software development, data science or cybersecurity. This specialization enables students to develop expertise in their chosen field, positioning them well for exciting career opportunities in the dynamic IT industry. The second notable course area is Business and Management. This field encompasses a wide range of disciplines, such as finance, marketing, management, and international business, which are highly sought after by Indian students. Australian universities offer a global perspective in their business education, an aspect that is immensely valuable in today's interconnected world. Additionally, Australia's robust economic links with Asia make it an ideal location for studying these subjects. The third prominent course is Data Science. This field is expanding quickly and has diverse applications across various industries. Data scientists are trained to gather, analyze, and interpret large sets of data, using their expertise to solve complex problems and aid in decision-making processes. In Australia, the demand for skilled data scientists is notably high and is projected to continue growing in the future. This trend makes data science an attractive field of study for students who are interested in working with data and contributing to data-driven solutions in an increasingly data-centric world. The fourth area of interest is Accounting and Finance. Australian courses in accounting and finance are recognized and respected around the world. They are particularly appealing to Indian students aiming for careers in accounting, financial analysis, or investment banking. Australian educational institutions not only offer a rigorous academic curriculum in these fields but also provide valuable networking opportunities. These elements combined create an enriching educational environment for students, preparing them for successful careers in the global finance sector. The fifth and final area we will discuss is Health Science and Nursing. Australia is known for its highly regarded healthcare system, and accordingly, it offers exceptional courses in health sciences and nursing. These programs are designed to equip students with the essential skills and knowledge required for a career in the healthcare sector. What makes these courses particularly attractive is the practical training aspect, which is often conducted in state-of-the-art facilities. This hands-on experience, combined with the theoretical learning, ensures that students are well prepared to meet the demands and challenges of the healthcare industry. For those passionate about making a difference in the field of health and medicine, pursuing a degree in health sciences or nursing in Australia can be a highly rewarding decision.